The Super League, also referred to as the European Super League, is a planned annual club football competition to be contested by an exclusive group of 20 European football clubs. As a breakaway competition, it is planned to rival or replace the UEFA Champions League, Europe's premier club football tournament organized by UEFA. Florentino Pérez is the first chairman of the organization. After long speculation about the formation of a European Super League, the competition was established by 12 clubs in April 2021, with 3 more anticipated to join. These 15 founding clubs are permanent participants in the competition, which they will govern. An additional 5 teams will be able to qualify annually for the competition based on their performance in their domestic league's most recent season. According to the organization, the competition will commence as soon as practicable, with talks of it commencing before or during August 2021. The Super League was met with strong opposition by fans, players, the involved clubs' national governments, UEFA, and FIFA. Proposals for the creation of a European Super League date back to at least 1998, when the Italian corporation Media Partners investigated the idea, which failed after UEFA moved to expand the Champions League. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.